Hello everyone. So today we will connect to Cloudera and perform map reduce program using Java language. So let's see the code that I've written. So we have three Java files. One is a vote count application, another is vote count mapper, another is vote count reducer. So what is vote count? So what we are trying to do is there is an imaginary place utopia who is running the presidential election, and there are around 5 candidates for whom we are going to perform count how much votes each candidate has received. So for that we have three files that I have created: booth 1, booth 2 and booth 3. So each has the number of votes each candidate has received in each booth. So what the mapper function would do is it would check the count of each candidate in each booth, and so it will read the input from the file and get the count. And then the reducer function would combine the outputs from the three mapper functions, or the three files we can say, and then combine those as a set of one output. So it would give the output as the total count of votes for each candidate. And this count application, this is executing the mapper class, then the reducer class, and here it is setting the input path and the it would be reading the input path and the output path that I would be providing in the terminal on our virtual machine. So these are the libraries, reference libraries that are used for this class project. And so we will create a runnable jar file from this. So let's go to the virtual machine. So here I've already copied the jar file in my virtual machine. So let's execute this. I have already added the booth files as well on Cloudera platform. So as we can see, I have booth 1, booth 2 and booth 3 over here. So I haven't created the vote count output. It would be created by the application. So let's execute this. So here I have given the jar file, the input path on the Cloudera and the output path where we will receive our output. So now we have received this link. On this link we can check whether our execution is completed. So it is still being executed. Now we can see it is running. Finished. And the final status is succeeded. Now let's check the output. So now we can see that the output folder has been created, and here we can see that our execution was successful. And let's check the output. So as we can see, each of these candidates received this much votes on all the booths. Thank you. So this is how we execute map reduce using Java.